তাৰ পিছত আমি কথা পাতিবলৈ সেইটো সিদিনা কোনে বিৰোধ হৈ
You have made a discussion today that they will control their people. You will control your people. And till which area they can.
Cái năng pilot lang lilo polam ke bang peladak pensikinan tanda lasi usun mon ke ning bilang lilo nalo tong ta katu kami kam chekle mon elektron katu kami stame kachirok ta katu na katu kami ta kenang sa thutta chetong na seta army elektron pini ladak jitong wer potang ke kedon. Si cedok tok amai somai cari pon bomai phoke hai pinlam somai long ka chitong don tum ka chinghon Assam Police Additional Superintendent Diuri aki hai pendang lok magistrate lapen press media lapen karbilo chali song nile tum wangrapet jirpi do anaphan kechengsi nile karbilo chali song akadom pajilo kardom ini jasamet Ladakh Karbi Khasia lapen Nepali community do but they are linguistic latum kado beta Karbi alam chini punili chini pame aposi nilis tame Karbi alam ben sike jaya phanse pachini apor jenik po thihek men asi ke chengsi pini umla pher hawar long emithang along pat emina hem along pila buson litum ka phiri nang kai ta kachi song nang ye phan emina hem along Chu huk awe ki chu na huk awe tum kachi song ni man kai tatwa nang karjap nang labang ge tum ning miltan ning duk piglo lapen labang so pini lapsan kachi plang nang de tapor bang ke nili Karbilo chali asam hin pen putak ji nili madu phanta ka phiri lam awe hok pe alam de nili putak ji laga el tum Karbilo autonomous council tum kachari ke plan play lapen state government tum nakelang apang kre polo Ini jong sinangli hemalong jong sinangli an kichua hu kebedat potang le sasolong le lang padong nali kitu yetu men kacitoy tu na ratas arleng kitu kuan situ manang kang hon ma pini dak se cetek dak la sisel le sam pini political meeting ali sita nili lingjenang kok solam ke athela ke clear nali tum ke puna ke phutum chichini dak lo ke nali tum matu ta kam kali ke matu ta hem ki klem nang kam kami pin kali sita pini people na tum daglang nang kok ke nali tum long pat ka ching hon jok si pina karja Nang tunjung silong le cinghon he nang tunjung sinang hem nang rit kacing hon kali itu makar biang long cinghon he posante anu tinta wang do istak pini wang nang kok pi porlo laki ile tu makar cetoy tun arleng ke tum ke chok che ek number de kok polo pini ke ron tu la sikar bilo chali asam tum ke nili tum ke wang merji non da nili tum ke Ladakh ke nili tum pini vote nang chuhanga meeting le nili ki bi gali na pen nili vote ka chuhang ya dor karta we kar bilo chali asam pen men tunu te election tu the La panang tum chini dak kami. La sinili tum ke nali tum kisun lo plata nili tum arja abdunji. Nangli tum ta nili tum santhap nangli tum ta Karbiang long dorapet nili tum angbong nili tum kaike dorapet hagrapet nili tum ke korte muti saite lo pumathasi. Pinida ke Nepali palamawe, pinda Gorkha palamawe, pinda ke Khasia palamawe. Pawan najir kiting pada tum dorapet ke pinyan tum kachi chok kachi bhamawe.
Between the Karbi Anglong and the Meghalaya, and also to the western part like the Chirikindang, like Kirmis, and also you can see the problems that often used to arise in the Khanduli areas. And recently this happened in this Chinthong constituency in the upper Chinthong areas, like Umlaf area. So we could say that these problems happen often. This is because of the total failure of the government of Assam as well as the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council.
Sir, as we have seen the vandalizations as well, so do you think that the police administrations of Assam has failed to bring peace in here as we have seen the vandalization?
Definitely the government of Assam, on one part we can say that the government of Assam retreat from the police of Meghalaya, as we could see from the incident that happened one day ago. So we appeal the government of Assam to send more or to deploy more police personnel in the areas, and then to erect or to establish the border patrol outposts here in Umlafer, so that the life and security of the people around here are safe.
And as far as the discussions between the Meghalaya and the Assam Special Himanta Biswa Sharma and Conrad Sangma, the Chief Minister, and they have made a statement that they will maintain a status quo. So, seeing these vandalizations and seeing this all the violence here, do you think that they have broken all the status quo they have made?
Of course, the government of Assam and the government of Meghalaya, they had a meeting for more than twice, and we have seen the meeting had been organized by the Assam counterpart in Guwahati, and in that meetings they both discussed and they held a discussion, and they both agreed upon maintaining the status quo in the sensitive areas like a border, all the border areas of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. But since the incident that happened in the 2 days ago, which happened in Umlafer area, it's very unfortunate, and is from one part that the government of Meghalaya have just broken the status quo that to be maintained by both of the states.
So do you want to say about this, whether this is a political issue or a border issue?
Yeah, this is so to say, actually, whatever the problems surfaces every time, as we see, this based on the border issues. But I don't think that this is a border issue. Why? Because we have got the autonomous council, and this is one of the oldest autonomous council in the history in the Indian Constitution. That is this is a constitutional binding autonomous council. So after the after the government of India, when they conferred the autonomous council to Karbi Anglong, the boundary has been totally demarcated. So there is nothing to be confused about the border. But since this happen all the time, so I think this is not a. I just think that this is only a political issue. The political leaders often used to take advantage on this, and they only work for this own personal interests.
So, as the government have taken decisions to construct a lot of developmental works here, especially the state universities and a lot of things here. So, do you think that it's constructing all the developmental works here in the western part of Karbi Anglong is convenient and enough to develop the border area?
See, to construct a university in West Karbi Anglong, the state university, is only a pen and paper yet. Not yet seen. We have not yet seen constructing the university also. But as far as our knowledge is concerned, to save the entire boundaries of the Karbi Anglong district and West Karbi Anglong district, there should be establishment of border patrol posts in all the disputed areas. That will solve the problems that arises of it.
Thank you very much.
Ko fancy tum prepared wrong. Laso mentality bangal tum katung la ta tudu nahi jana tu. Fir thek apni assumption modern laso civilization along. Every race in this world is trading toward a threshold of science and technology. Science technology atawar along ke dam pang apor husti kachi threng kachi chok fancy solution ke wanji bukai. Comment tu ni ta un elo dana tu. Lasi tu masih tu ke phiri jo masih bang le putai tum. Bang le jalan nang ni te tum cicak ni nahi la puta kali. Arona teng pe nili tum pacin side dulu na. Arona teng pe tum charge up dulu na. Ili tum pudu lo ke. Nili mephang masih pudun dak lo. Nang li piakang lo dak kiwang. Pulo alang li nang cethan lo. Neke DC pe sini pan invitation do meeting do mai do pasi nili wang inggang lo. Amba nili ke avenue cini ni dat pasi takan wang joy lo. Nili theng dun prit prit ke. Lasi theng prit nang ne. Arjunang la. Arjunang dang ta chok cetan lo pulutang te rada tum ke theng ke chokakam claim ri don tu. Rata tunke ke thengke coba kam klemri lada ka bisar ya phan itunke ituma society ka pe mesen ya phan ituma society ka ta kan phirjir ya phan aka hilo ka pe vida ya phan ke itum lasi law and order itunke salam loke police military itunka salam loke lasi lahaya